Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back. My name is Morgan, and I am going to be packing today for a little weekend trip to Boston. Packing videos are my favorite to film. They are also my favorite to watch. So if you'd like to see what I'm going to pack and how I'm prepping for our little weekend getaway, come and watch this video and get some packing inspiration for your next trip. So this trip that we're doing is just a 2-night trip. So I guess 2 days, 2 nights. So we're leaving tonight, it's Friday, and then we'll spend Friday night, Saturday night, and then we'll come home on Sunday. Boston's only like a 3-hour drive from here, so totally doable for the weekend. We're staying in the Seaport area of Boston. We've never stayed in that area before, so I'm really excited. And we're just gonna go kind of celebrate our dating anniversary, which my husband thinks is so funny that I want to celebrate that, but I want to celebrate our dating anniversary and just explore one of our favorite East Coast cities. So per usual, here is our empty guest room. As you can see, I haven't even put the sheets on from our last guest after they left, so this room is left very undone. My husband has a few things there, but this will soon transform into my packing area. So this is just like where I like to prep everything and lay everything out because we don't really have room in our bedroom. So this is the before. All right, and this is an embarrassing shot of our office. This is our office closet here. So this is where we store all of our luggage, as you can see. So I think I'm gonna bring this blue away not carry on. It's the full-size bag. So I think I'm gonna bring this for my husband and I this weekend. Okay, so another task on my list here before we leave is I just have this bit of laundry that I need to fold and put away. I always try to do one last load of laundry before we leave on a trip so I don't have it piling up with our dirty clothes from a trip when we come back. So that is one of the tasks that I have to do today. All right, so I've made it into the guest room. As you might know, I work from home, so I still have to work today, but I'm gonna pack right now. It's like 11:30, so I'm gonna take a lunch break just so I can pack some because we're hoping to leave right after I'm done with work today. My husband should be getting home before I get off so he can shower and like pack anything that he needs to, but I'm also gonna try to pack him some things just to be safe because I don't know how much time we're gonna have. So I'm gonna try to do this really quickly. So I'm gonna pull out some things that I typically take for all of our trips. So if you've seen my other packing videos, some of this will be familiar to you, but first I'm gonna get my packing cubes out. They're not very organized right now, but I do love these compression ones that zip down to be smaller, so I'm gonna bring these. I also keep my shower bag packed most of the time, so I have like shower gel, face wash, shampoo, conditioner, a razor, body wash, so I'm gonna bring this as well. And then I have my little emergency first aid type of kit, so it has a few medicines, a makeup wipe, little essentials, so I always bring this on trips as well. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna bring my little toiletry bathroom bag, whatever you wanna call it. So this again is mostly packed. For the most part, I leave this packed in between trips, but I'll just go through it like so I can make sure everything is in there. But those are things that I typically like to keep packed away in like a drawer so I can just, when we have a trip, just pull them out and put them in a bag. So it's very easy and efficient to pack with them. All right, and then I've just laid out my makeup that I used today to get ready and just pulled it to the side so I can just pack all this. So I'm gonna be bringing all that makeup. I pulled a little crossbody purse that I'm gonna take. That is my makeup bag. I still need to fold and put away this laundry, but we're making progress. Okay, so I am at my closet here, so I'm gonna pull out some things that I think I'll take. Sometimes I pull out a bunch of stuff and then narrow it down. We'll see how it goes. The weather's supposed to be really nice. I think it's like high 70s. The lows are just in the 60s, so I feel like that's optimal weather, especially for like a little summer, spring vacation. So I'm really excited to actually get to wear things that I haven't worn in a long time because it's been awful weather. So I'm excited to pull some things. In terms of what we're doing in Boston, I mean, we're only there a short time, so I'm not sure that we're gonna do like a ton of big activities, but I want to be prepared. So I know we're gonna be walking around the city. I know we're going to like a fun dinner tomorrow night. I know we're probably gonna visit Boston University because my husband wants to go see the campus because that is actually where he's a grad student online. So he wants to go in person and kind of check it out. So just pretty low-key, casual, but I do want to look cute. The waterfront in Boston's really cute and fun to walk around. So I don't know. We'll see what the vibe is, but I'm just going to pull some things now. Okay, I think I'll bring this fun little tie bow sleeve tank top. It is from Marine Layer. I haven't even worn it. I think I wore it one time on our cruise, but I'm going to wear it again. Fun little tank top, pretty easy to wear. I think I will bring a pair of blue denim jeans. I actually just got these from Everlane. I have not had any of their denim yet, but these are, I think they're called Cheeky, they're Cheeky jean. So it's supposedly a straight leg, which I need to be more mindful when buying denim because straight leg for most is more like a skinny jean to me. So it is a little bit of a slimmer fit on my leg, but it still is not like ankle tight at the bottom. So I think that I'll bring these to kind of try them on with like out and stuff. I feel like they'll look cute with that black tank top that I just pulled. So these will probably be my go-to jeans. I might even wear them today. Well, no, probably not in the car. But these might be something to ride home with on Sunday. So I will be bringing these blue Everlane jeans. In terms of like a dinner dress, I think I might bring this one. I've only worn it one time on our cruise. It is from Abercrombie. It's a fun little mini dress, I guess you could call it, like sundress. It is a little bit low cut, so I might need to like bring something to put under it because I don't love wearing low cut things, but I maybe will bring this for dinner or maybe for Sunday if we like go to brunch or something. I feel like this could be cute. All right, I probably will be bringing this little button-up top. It's really cute. I'm not sure the material. I want to say it's like a linen blend or something. Yeah, like a linen cotton shirt. It is from Cezanne. It's really cute. You could wear opener clothes. I feel like it would look cute with the denim. Yeah, I feel like this is pretty versatile. So I'm gonna bring this as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring this little denim dress. It's really cute. It's unbuttoned right now, but really cute. This is from Madewell. I got it last season, but I think they still have like some sort of variation of it in the store. But it's really cute, and you can wear it with sneakers or sandals. Just like a really fun piece that I feel like I could even wear the button-up top over it, maybe. But yeah, this will be really cute, so I'm gonna bring this as well. Okay. I'm thinking maybe I'll bring this denim jacket. I don't know. This is when I get in trouble, is like putting things with jackets is really hard because sometimes my jackets I want to bring don't work with all the outfits. So then I end up bringing like multiple jackets, which seems so excessive. I don't know. I'm leaning towards this one, but I can't decide. In terms of shoes, I think I'll bring these white sneakers from Veja, B-E-J-A, Veja, I don't know. I'm gonna bring these. I feel like these can go with a variety of things, so definitely will be bringing these. And now I'm like second guessing those Everlane jeans because I like haven't really worn them before. I don't know if I really want to test it out on a trip, so maybe I'll swap them. Another pair of jeans that I know are good to wear. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna swap them for this pair. This pair is 7 for All Mankind. I don't know the fit or anything, but it's way more of like a wide leg. They're stretchy. They're a little bit cropped, and I feel like this will just be a safer bet because I know how they fit. But I do want to wear those Everlane ones and try them out another time. Okay, I think I'm also going to bring this pair of denim shorts. These are from Madewell. and just this little green, what is this called? T-shirt. So I'm gonna bring this. This is from Madewell as well. So that's like one solid outfit. I could also wear my black tank top with these denim shorts, and I can wear the button up over it. So that would be a cute little outfit. So I feel like I'm probably good on like outfit pieces. I might bring or wear a pair of black leggings and like a sweatshirt or something. I'm still stuck on the jacket thing. I don't know what to bring in terms of a jacket, but I feel pretty good. I feel like dinner outfit, I guess I have like that one option. So maybe I'll look for one more dinner outfit, but I feel pretty good about that. And then I'll bring like a pair of sandals or something. Okay, these are the sandals that I'll bring. I love these little dumb things. These are from Target. I got them for like less than $10 on a sale online in 2020 or 2021. They are getting a little frayed, which makes me really sad. But I love them, so I'm gonna bring these for my sandal option. Okay, I'm actually very impressed that I fit all of that in these 2 packing cubes. I know this one's like very large, but that has all of my clothes in it. And then this one has underwear, socks, pajamas, bras, like all that fit in this one. And then I can zip them up to make them a little more compact. So that's why I like these bags. I will try to link them for anyone interested, but you can find these on Amazon. Okay, so glad that is packed. Then I've got, that is a bag for my chargers. Like I said, shower bag, my little purse, makeup bag, little emergency essentials kit, my curling iron. I'm bringing 3 pairs of shoes, so that's another pair of sandals that I decided to pull. So I have 2 pairs of sandals and my sneakers. I might either wear another pair of sneakers or wear those on the drive over there. So we're making progress. This is great. I'm gonna pull some things from my husband's closet right over there. Long story short, but our closets in this house are so small, so he gets to have the guest room closet, but let me see what I can pull for him right here. All right, so I pulled some things for my husband. This is like a long sleeve, I call it a shacket, but I don't know what it's called for men's. It's kind of like a shacket, like a shirt jacket. And then this red, well, maroony button-up shirt. This pair of blue shorts, 2 t-shirts. This is like a pajama shirt, underwear, and socks. I'm not sure if he's gonna veto any of that. And then I need him to bring like a pair of pants still, but at least I got him started on packing. So we got that taken care of. All right, look at that. Most of my stuff fit in that one side. I'm very impressed with myself. I don't have my jacket in here, and then I have these 2 bags that are still left out, but I think I'll bring like a tote or a backpack on the side. But this is great. I am like very impressed with myself. So this side's for me. I'm gonna leave this side for my husband, but I'm pretty sure we can get everything in this bag, which is great, which we have not been very successful at previously. So this is good news. I feel very productive and like I took care of most of my packing. So very accomplished right now. I had to take a little lunch break to actually eat lunch this time, but I feel really good about everything that I've packed so far. Yesterday I got my nails done, so that's good to go. In terms of other prep that I'm doing, I mean, I'm not getting a spray tan, I'm not doing anything major, but packing went pretty well. Still need to get gas, but I think we'll just do that on the way. Yeah, I feel pretty good. I'm gonna do like a light clean of the kitchen. I might vacuum upstairs, just kind of tidy up, because I never like to leave the house when it's like a disaster, because that's not fun to come home to. So I might clean up a little bit just to tidy things up, but I think that's pretty much it. I'm like surprised how well this went actually. So hopefully that was a little bit of inspiration for your packing for your next trip. We are all ready to go.